Tired of hitting VRAM limits, FPS drops, and stutters even on a powerful GPU? Today, I'm showing you the ultimate ways to unlock your GPU, free hidden VRAM, and push FPS higher than ever. These tweaks work for both NVIDIA and AMD, and anyone can do them step by step. Stick with me until the end, apply every tip, and watch your games run smoother and faster. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss pro-level optimization tips. Let's dive in. So guys, in the first step, we want to make sure the system doesn't split GPU resources inefficiently. Some background features can fragment VRAM and cause stutters or slowdowns, so we will turn them off and force games to use the high-performance GPU. Open the Windows search bar, type Settings, and press Enter. Go to System, then Display, then Graphics. At the top, click Default Graphics Settings. Turn Hardware Accelerated GPU Scheduling off. This option can cause VRAM fragmentation and uneven memory allocation in some games, which leads to stutters, texture pop-in, or sudden FPS drops. After that, go back one step to the main graphics page. Click Browse, add your game.exe file, then click on the game and select Options. Choose High Performance and click Save. This forces Windows to run the game on the dedicated GPU instead of switching between GPUs. It helps prevent VRAM from being split or mismanaged, which directly improves stability and FPS. While still inside Settings, we will reduce background GPU usage from Windows itself. Go to Personalization, then Colors. Find Transparency Effects and turn it off. Transparency effects constantly use GPU resources and reserve VRAM for window effects. Disabling them frees up extra VRAM that games can use for textures and shaders, which can result in smoother gameplay and more consistent frame rates, especially on GPUs with limited VRAM. Alright guys, now we will tweak GPU settings to reduce VRAM usage and improve FPS stability. Since I have an NVIDIA GPU, I will optimize NVIDIA's control panel settings, but you can do the same on your GPU, whether it's AMD or Intel, as they have similar options in their control panels. Open NVIDIA Control Panel. Click Manage 3D Settings and stay on the Global Settings tab. Set Power Management Mode to prefer maximum performance. This stops the GPU from downclocking when it thinks it's not under heavy load, which can prevent sudden FPS drops, frame stutters, or lag spikes during gameplay. Games will always get full GPU power, making performance more consistent. Set texture filtering quality to high performance. Lowering texture filtering overhead reduces the bandwidth the GPU uses, which frees up VRAM and allows textures to load faster in-game. This can help maintain smooth frame rates without causing noticeable visual degradation, especially in texture-heavy scenes. Turn anisotropic sample optimization on. This reduces unnecessary texture sampling, which cuts down VRAM pressure and improves FPS. In large open-world games or games with detailed environments, this setting can make a big difference by reducing micro-stutters caused by excessive texture calculations. Set shader cache size to default or unlimited. By letting the GPU store compiled shaders, it doesn't have to rebuild them every time you load a game or a new level. This not only improves load times, but also reduces VRAM usage spikes and prevents shader-related stutters, keeping gameplay smooth and stable. Once all these settings are applied, click Apply at the bottom right. These tweaks collectively help your GPU manage VRAM more efficiently, maintain higher and more stable FPS, and reduce instances of texture pop-ins, stutters, or sudden frame drops, giving you a smoother overall gaming experience. Next, we will use a lightweight but powerful utility called Run with Affinity, which you can download from my Discord server. The link is in the description. This tool lets you control exactly how many CPU cores your game uses and creates a dedicated shortcut for it, which helps reduce CPU scheduling overhead, smooth FPS, and indirectly improve VRAM usage for better performance. After downloading and extracting Run with Affinity, launch the application. First, click Add Game. Take your time here and carefully browse to your game's main exe file. For example, if you're optimizing Fortnite, Open your Fortnite installation folder and select Fortnite client-win64-shipping.exe. It may take a few seconds to load after selecting the exe. Once the game is added, click on all the numbers representing your CPU cores to select all available cores. Selecting all cores ensures the game has access to your full CPU power and can schedule threads efficiently, which reduces stutters and improves frame pacing. After selecting all cores, click Make Shortcut. This will generate a special shortcut for the game that applies these Affinity settings every time you launch it. From now on, always start your game using this new Run with Affinity shortcut, not the normal game launcher. Running the game on all selected cores helps your CPU handle game threads more efficiently, reduces micro-stutters, smooths FPS, and allows the GPU to use VRAM more consistently for higher and more stable performance. Now guys, if you're struggling with lag or high ping in your games, Gear Up Booster is the ultimate fix. Here's how it works. To get started with Gear Up Booster, download the tool from the official website using the link in the description. After downloading, install it on your PC. Once installed, you'll see the Gear Up Booster interface. The first step is to log in with your Facebook or Google account. On the Home tab, you'll find all the games installed on your PC. If you go to the Games tab, you can browse thousands of games available for optimization. To optimize your network and FPS, return to the Home tab and select the game you want to boost: Roblox, Fortnite, or any game. Click the Boost button and the tool will begin optimizing the game. It will automatically find the best server for you. Next, you'll need to choose your server region. Select the nearest server for the best connection. In my case, the middle server works best. After selecting the server, close the window. Now go to the Not tab, where you'll see a list of servers available in the Middle East. Choose the nearest one, or let Gear Up automatically pick the best server for you. I recommend setting it to automatic for the best results. Finally, close the window and launch your game using Gear Up Booster. This will help you optimize Fortnite or any other game for lower ping and higher FPS. Now guys, we will disable unnecessary desktop visual effects to reduce GPU memory usage. Animations, shadows, and fading effects constantly consume VRAM. We'll keep only the essential options so the system still looks decent without sacrificing performance. Open the Windows search bar, type Control Panel, and press Enter. Go to System and Security, then System, then click Advanced System Settings on the left. Under the Performance section, click Settings. Select Adjust for Best Performance. This will turn off most of the visual effects that constantly use GPU resources, such as animations, shadows, and fading menus. After that, you can manually re-enable only the options that matter to you, like smooth edges of screen fonts or show thumbnails instead of icons, to keep Windows looking decent without sacrificing too much performance. This step reduces GPU memory usage on the desktop and ensures that more VRAM is available for games. It can help improve FPS stability, reduce stutter, and prevent minor frame drops caused by Windows background rendering, especially on systems with mid-range or lower VRAM GPUs. Alright guys, now we will force games to run in true exclusive full screen mode. Running in borderless or windowed full screen shares VRAM with the desktop and can create memory conflicts. Exclusive full screen lets the game fully control GPU memory, improving FPS stability. Go to your game's installation folder. For example, if it is Fortnite, open the Fortnite game files directory. Right-click on the main game exe file and select Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab and check Disable Full Screen Optimizations. Then click Apply, followed by OK. This forces the game to run in true exclusive full screen mode, rather than borderless or windowed full screen, which shares VRAM with the desktop and other applications. Using exclusive full screen ensures that the game can access the maximum amount of VRAM, reduces stuttering caused by memory conflicts, and often improves FPS stability. It's a simple tweak but can have a noticeable effect, especially in games with high texture loads or when using GPUs with limited VRAM. That's it. Apply these tweaks, enjoy smoother gameplay, and higher FPS. If this helped, like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more pro-level gaming optimizations.